Alright, I told y'all I'll let y'all know anytime I get anything about this court. Mr. Burke, as you saw on my page, I have to start putting this stuff on YouTube so I can get it onto my other social medias. But yeah, he called me, his office called me yesterday about 3:30 in the afternoon on Friday evening, talking about I need to go to court next Friday. And his secretary, I asked her, I said, why are you contacting me? And she's like, well, I have no knowledge of you doing a cease and desist. And I'm like, oh yeah? I said, well, I got it in text messages because I sent it to him as soon as I got it written up. And that's what that video was about yesterday. I went to the prosecutor's office, which is Andrew Gilich's family member that he hired to do this fraudulent court. And I gave him the paper, and they tried to tell me I couldn't deliver nothing to him. And I was like, well, he's my prosecutor. Yeah, I can. And then that man came out the door. You need to see me? I said, no, I'm just delivering you the same papers I delivered to the Attorney General's office. That man, he is so professional. Excuse me for saying it. He was yelling, fuck you, don't you come back on my property. Well, I didn't tell him I wouldn't come back on his property. I didn't want to be on his property to begin with. His property don't mean nothing to me. But what does mean something to me is they broke the law, and they are trying to have me in court. So as soon as I get off of work today, I will be mailing out or sending out in the emails, about 100 emails to government facilities today and organizations through our government, so that way they got to get the email and my letter of truth of what I wrote. And I will be back in Jackson on Monday with this letter of truth and the cease and desist with the Attorney General's office, because even after Mr. Burke knew about this, you can say it verbally, but they got it written with a notarized stamp yesterday. And let's see if they try to move forward on Friday. I told him, I said, I don't think I'll be in your fraudulent court because it is fraudulent. It's just the wrong jurisdiction, and you can't hire your friends and your family to victimize a victim of your families of human trafficking. So that's what they're doing, and I'm standing up against it. And I just hope y'all saw my story, and that's the update that I have. Going to work now, so much love.